Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscriber. Guys, this afternoon we're gonna make some plantain fritters. I have these ripe plantain over here, so I decided not to throw them away. I'm gonna make fritters with them. So guys, this is my pan. I'm gonna crush them in this pan. I just wash them so I don't have no dirt go over into the plantain. I have my baking powder over here, my nutmeg, vanilla, and I have 2 cups of flour over here, guys. So I'm gonna crush them. I'm gonna cut them out now and crush them, and I'm gonna start making my fritters. So guys, when you have overripe plantain, don't throw it away. It can still be used, and I'm gonna show you what to do now when they are overripe. Just like the ripe banana. When I have overripe banana, I just use it and make banana bread, and I bring it to work, and they all love it there. Every day. Last week I didn't have any to bring. They asked me, where's the ripe banana? Where's the banana bread? I tell them no overripe banana this week. Sometimes my friend Pat bring me ripe banana what he have overripe from his house. He put it in the fridge, and when he reach a certain amount, he will bring it to me, and I would make banana bread every week. So guys, when you have overripe plantain and banana, you don't throw them away. You can use them. So I'm gonna use these 3 today. And see, I have the good ripe ones to show you guys that they start from here till they reach to this stage. So you don't throw them away, please. This is very easy to make. Just like you're making banana fritters. Same procedure. Okay guys, I'm gonna crush them. I love to clean my surface. I love to just clean. I'm gonna start crushing. Guys, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar to this. But the plantains are overripe already, so okay guys, so stay tuned guys. So 2 teaspoons of sugar, guys. I don't want too much sugar. Not too much sugar. I don't want my fritters to be too sweet. Just to balance it out, you know. In my 2 cups of flour, I'm gonna put a little bit of nutmeg, just a little dash. It's the same recipe like you are making banana fritters, guys. I'm gonna add my 2 2 teaspoons of my baking powder. Baking powder, guys. 1, 2. I'm gonna add some milk if I need it. Just if I need it. If I don't need it, I'm not gonna add it. But in my, I'm gonna add it with my plantain. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna use my whisk and whisk in the baking powder and the nutmeg and the flour together. I'm gonna use my spatula to mix in my vanilla with my plantain. Just a little dash of salt, just a little bit tip, just to combine everything together. That's it. So now I'm gonna add everything together, guys. And if I need the milk, I'm gonna add half a cup of milk. I'm gonna add it little by little. Half of what I have here now, so I could do it. So one more shot and it's all gonna be finished. So I'm gonna take my time. I think I'm gonna need the milk here. I'm gonna need the milk. I'm gonna get the milk. So here I have some almond milk. I don't drink dairy, so I'm gonna add maybe half a cup was in there. A little bit left inside. Add the rest of flour now, guys. Just a little bit lean. I'm gonna add everything. Now I'm gonna add the rest of my milk. Just a little bit lean in there too. You know. Okay, so that's finished. Now I'm gonna finish mixing everything. After, I'm gonna use a spoon to spoon it out and fry it, guys. So this is my butter for my plantain fritters, guys. I'm gonna start frying as soon as possible. Okay, I'm gonna put it down and I'm gonna get my frying pan and I'll be right back. So, okay guys, I'm gonna add my oil to my frying pan. And don't turn the heat too high, guys, because remember the plantain were overripe. So we have to keep it, I put it a little bit under medium. So I don't want them to burn and inside don't cook. Heat up a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to start dropping them in the pot. So okay guys, I'm going to try now and see. It's not too hot. Not too hot. It's hot but not too hot. So guys, try it and tell me if you like it. Or you prefer the banana one. Some people would prefer the banana fritters. I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna prefer. Or maybe the next time I make both of them together and see. And ask my friends to test it and tell me which one is better than which one. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do the next trip. A few people come to taste the plantain one different from the banana and see. Okay guys, I'm gonna start turning them. That's why I say you have to have the fire very low because they start changing color very fast. I have to turn down the heat a little bit. They will burn on the inside, don't cook, so you have to know how to manage the heat. Move very fast. So guys, this is the last of our fritters, almost finished. And we're going to show you the final product, or the finished product. Okay guys, I'm finished now. I'm putting everything in the plate. So this is the final product of my plantain fritters. I'm gonna try it. My niece's gonna try it and tell me how it tastes. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And tell me where you're watching from so I could give you a shout out in the next video. Good. Okay guys? So remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in our next video. Thank you. So this is the finished product.